Hello guys, welcome to another trading week, and today we are going to be looking very in-depthly at the possible expectations we can get for the week. So the possible expectations we can get from price this week. Okay, so really quickly let's look at the chart. So in my screen right now is gold on the 1 hour time frame, and last week what did we expect for gold? Okay, so really quickly we had that price opened at this point for gold last week. So we had price close at this point for gold, and then like I said, we're expecting gold to kind of dump. So I said between these points here that I expected gold to reverse to the downside. Okay, but you see we had the reverse play out. So this was due to the fundamental. If you remember, I told you guys that there were some fundamentals acting. So there was a kind of bomb blast at Gaza, and that's created more spikes to the upside. So it's actually the war between Israel. Okay, so that's really been affecting gold, because most people try to put their assets in try to invest in a safe haven asset. Okay, so and that's good. So we had more investors trooping in their funds into gold, and that caused a rise in price. Okay, so the bullish intent here is due to the fundamentals at play. Okay, so you can look at the picture displayed on your screen right now to get a cue on what's going on. Okay, so guys, we are going to from here look at what to expect moving forward. Okay, so what can we expect moving forward? So gold has been bullish all the while, like really bullish. Okay, gold has been bullish, uh like I said, it's due to the fundamental, but what can we expect moving forward? So really quickly, let's look at the expectation from where we are right now. So for the daily time frame, as we always do a top down analysis, you agree with me that a breakout we have a breakout of um, this descending line here, this channel here. So and the technical price target for a breakout like this is supposed to be the top of the channel. Okay, but we have a very valid supply point at this level, which is around um, 2010. Okay, it started from 2007. Okay, so around 2007 we have a valid supply point on the daily time frame, which is strong enough to hold price. Okay, so we could possibly see a rejection from this level. So let's look at it really quickly. But if price is unable to reject from that level, we have this our very strong support and resistance level here, which is also a zone that price has been rejecting from some time ago in 2020, some time ago in 2022, and then right now we are here in 2023. Okay, so we could see price also come up to this level. So these are the two levels I'm expecting to see a rejection from. So most likely we could see gold either reject from here or reject from here. So let's watch out for that rejection. I still expect bearish movement for gold. I don't expect this whole bullish run to last too long. But if we break here, we target here. If we also break here, then we will go to higher regions on the chart. Okay, but I don't see that happening really quick, so I think we can leave it at that for now. So we target here. If here breaks, we target here, but overall I'm still bearish on gold. I expect more downward movements on the daily time frame from what we can see. So let's quickly look at the 4 hour time frame really quickly. Yeah, so for the 4 hour time frame we are pretty close to this level here, so let's just watch out for the reaction there. So if we react fine in any of these two areas, if we react very fine, then we could target, we can short even as much as this level here on the 4 hour and on the daily. This is valid. So this our support and resistance trend line, which is at 1885, we can short up to that level. Okay, then really quickly let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So for the 1 hour time frame, okay, let me give an expanded view. So following the order flow, we could see price breaking structures to the upside, breaking series of supply zones and respecting demand zones. So what we could expect from here is a pull down to the previous low created that can take us up here. Okay, so two things involved. This is how we pull down here and expect to see bullish intents up here, or we could just pull up here first of all and then down. Okay, so but if this level breaks for any reason, then we should just know that the bearish intent have started. Okay, so this is the previous low that was created, so I don't expect price to break this level in a hurry until a new high is created. So this is what I expect if we go down before going up first. But if we go up before going down, then we could see something like this, then we come back down here and probably target the upper one. Okay, but like I said, if this point is taken out, then we can come down to 1885. So I hope that's clear enough for gold. Yeah, then really quickly let's look at GBP USD. Okay, so this GBP USD right now on my screen on the 1 hour time frame. So what did we expect for GBP USD? So for GBP USD, we had the price closed. So price closed around this level. So price closed around this level here that I've just marked, and then like I said, I told you I was expecting to see price levitate. Okay, I was expecting to see price come to the downside. Okay, react on this zone, and then from here I told you I was expecting to see price buy up to probably this area on the chart, to this supply zone here first of all, which is at 1.2381. okay, or if we break that area, which is most likely not supposed to, but if we break here, we shouldn't break this level here around 1.2628. and then from here I said I was still expecting bearish intents for GBP USD. Okay, so but we had price just stay in a range, so price didn't really move for the whole of the week, we're just in a range. Okay, so the same price target remains, so the expectation still remains bullish. I expect to see bullish reactions. So at market open, we might just see price react on the zone and then pull up to this area. Okay, okay, so yeah, uh we are currently reacting off a valid demand here on the daily time frame. So from this demand, we are trying to see some bullish intent at least up to this level or this level on the chart, but I don't really expect us to come this high. Okay, but up to this level is decent, and then see a continuation of the bearish move. So let's look at the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we have just swept some form of the liquidity created here, and then we are very close to reacting on this zone, even though we didn't necessarily tap it fully. So like I said, we could expect to see a tap of this zone and then further bullish intent. Okay, because actually price has changed character at this point, so there has been some bullish sign. This was the last break of structure to the downside. Okay, and then we've seen a bullish a kind of change of character to the upside. Price has broken this previous supply, so price broke this previous supply it created, so we could just see more higher highs created on the charts before the continuation of the bearish trend. Okay, so with that said, let's look lastly at the 1 hour time frame and see what to expect. Okay, but before we look at the 1 hour, I think there's something I need to show you guys in the 4 hours, and that is the left hand side of my chart. So this level here, if it's taken out, we have the origin of the move, which is this extreme zone at the downside. So I said if we see this zone taken out, we target this zone and then expect to see the bullish reactions play from here. But already I expect that it should just play from where we are right now. Okay, so let's look at the 1 hour time frame, guys. So for the 1 hour time frame, there are two things involved. So the first and most probable thing I expect is to see a reaction of this zone and a buy up to this supply. Then from here we could see a change of character to the downside and then target lower areas on the charts, which could be this area. Okay, that's the first and most probable thing. Then secondly is if we just break this zone directly, we could expect to get a mitigation and then a continuation towards the extreme demand, and then from here we could expect to see the bullish price action play out. Okay guys, so with that said, I'm sure we all have a very clear ideas on what to expect for the week. So if you have any question with respect to the forecast, do well to drop your questions in the comment section. If there's something you're not clear about, you could also share in the comment section, guys. So that'll be all for now. Do well to click on the like and subscribe button, and you could join our Telegram community. We drop trades there periodically. Join my private community, the Proficient Traders Academy, and we also drop trades there. We also drop setups there. We do webinars and a whole lot of content for you on that particular channel. So that'll be all for now, guys. Do well to have an amazing week ahead.